And one day I entered this mental institution and I found this person. She was sitting like this, and I wanted to ask her so many questions. So hello?
Hello.
Who are you?
I am Peter Marian.
Okay, are you sure?
No.
And if you're not, who are you then?
Daisy?
Did you see? Are you getting some help here, or
No.
you work here?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Have you been working here a long time?
Yes.
Yeah. What are you doing here when you're working?
I work with disturbed patients.
Oh, so you are kind of
I'm a nurse.
you're a nurse, yeah. And what kind of medicine do you give your patients?
Everything from cannabis to heroin, and also little methanol.
So you think that helps?
Yes, definitely.
And have you tried it yourself, or how do you know that?
Look at the flying cow!